This week, you're going to be working with input validation. So you're going to start out with the lesson key points. There is a video that goes with. The lab assignment is going to be similar to examples in here. So it is a good idea to watch the video. The video will kind of walk through all of these coding examples, and it will explain how they work and what they do. Then after you finish that, you're going to move on to the Code Easy exercises. These are the exercises that you need to complete. There are 4 of them. And I do have some helpful hints here for you. So some of the hints are from me, some of them are from the Code Easy people. So you can see if it's a Code Easy hint, I've indicated that. And if it's my hint, I will let you know that too. But if you read through these, it should help you with those exercises. In fact, you may want to print out those hints. And then you're going to put these screenshots in the Dropbox. And for the lab assignment, like I mentioned, we've got 3 different programs. And whoops, got to bring up the instructions. Each one is worth 10 points, and they are really, really similar to what was in the key points. So you're basically using these different methods. So, you know, this first one uses compare to or equals, and you're going to be comparing 2 strings that you bring in from the console. So what I would do, okay, this is the lesson key points, is I would press Control F and key in compare to. Okay, and then this describes it. This actually has multiple strings. Now, these were not read in from the console. You have to prompt the user to enter a string, and you need to read that in. Okay. So that is the difference. I don't want you guys just copying and pasting this code, changing the strings and calling it a day, because that's not what you're being asked to do. Okay. You're being asked to prompt the user. You know, you're being asked to do something like this. Enter a string. And then you're going to have string, and you can call it, you know, string 1, str1, whatever you want. Okay, and then you can actually copy and paste this code. Enter a second string. There you go. Now you got your 2 strings, and you can continue on with the program. Okay, so these are hard-coded. You need to read yours in from the console. Okay, so you can either use compare to or equals, which is right below. And then for the next one, let's see, you're going to use is null or white space, starts with and ends with. So create a program that reads a string. The program should continue reading in strings until the user types the word done. So you need a loop. I would probably use a while loop for that. The string should be checking for the following. See if it contains nulls or spaces, see if it ends in a period, or if the string starts with the word the. Okay, and there are examples over here of is null or white space, starts with and ends with. Okay, so that is basically your assignment. There is a video that gives you more detail if you want to watch that. And you will be putting your code in the Dropbox. And then for additional resources, this basically covers all the different topics that were in the key points and Code Easy. So hopefully you will have a pretty good feel for how all of this works. But if you have problems or questions, please let me know. I am here to help you. If you have any problem with your code, make sure you copy the code, paste it into an email, and send it to me because I'm going to need to run the code. Okay? Have a great week.